Hello everyone, this is Revathi working as an assistant professor in information technology from SNS College of Engineering. In my today lecture series, we are going to see about what is meant by dynamic programming, and it also having some advantages, disadvantages, and we are going to see about the uses of the dynamic programming. First, you have to know about the definition of the dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is a general algorithm design technique for solving problems defined by or formulated as recurrences with overlapping sub-instances. Main idea behind this dynamic programming is set up a recurrence relating a solution to a larger instance to solution of some smaller instances. Then the second one is solve smaller instances once. Then the third one is record solution in a table uh, using matrix format in the form of rows and columns. Then after that you have to find the solution to the initial instance from the table which you are constructed for the given problem statement. These are all the main ideas behind the dynamic programming construction of the given problem statement. Then the application of the dynamic programmings are applicable when subproblems are not independent with each other. Then subproblems share subproblems. For example, combinations of the given problem. It can be written as n k equal to n minus 1 to k plus n minus 1 to k minus 1, and also n1 equal to 1, and also n is equal to 1. These are all the combination problems for the dynamic programming. Then we are going to move to uses of the dynamic programming. It is also having some uses in the problem statement. A set of choices must be made to get an optimal solution. Then you have to find a solution with the optimal value. That means it will be a maximum or the minimum value. Then there may be many solutions that lead to an optimal value. Then here our goal is to find the optimal solution from the given set of feasible solution. This is the main use of the dynamic programming. Then we have to move on to the dynamic programming algorithms. First one is categorize the structure of an optimal solution. Then the second one is recursively define the value of an optimal solution. Then the third one is compute the value of an optimal solution in a bottom-up fashion. Actually, the problem is having two types. One is bottom-up approach and another one is top-down approach. Here we are following bottom-up fashion for solving the given problem. Bottom up means we have to find the problem statement from the solution. This means bottom up solution. For example, in a tree, from the children to root node, this is the bottom up solution. Then the fourth one is construct an optimal solution from the computer information. Then we are going to see about the main differences between the greedy technique and the dynamic programming. Here, the greedy method, only one decision sequence is ever generated for the given problem statement. But in the dynamic programming, many decision sequences may be generated instead of one decision generation from the 3D technique. This is the main advantage of dynamic programming compared than the other 3D method. Then we have to compare with the divide and conquer method. What is meant by divide and conquer method? Divide and conquer means partition the given problem into independent subproblems, solve the subproblems recursively, and then combine their solution to solve the original problem. This is the divide and conquer method. But in the dynamic programming applicable when the subproblems are not independent with each other, that is when problems are shared by the subproblems. This is the main difference between the divide and conquer method and also with the greedy technique. Thank you.